How do you clean windows in the freezing winter? How do you stop window solution from freezing on glass? We're finally gonna get our question answered. We're with Mike from Detroit Sponge and Chamois in Wixom, Michigan. What's up,
Keith.
Mike?
Good to see you.
And dude, you gotta tell us, man. You got these products here, these solutions, and talk about it. Talk about it.
Sure, it's one of the more common questions that we get for all of us that live in the northern half of the country. Obviously, there's a lot of the year where we're fighting with the 30-degree freezing mark, and water, of course, freezes at 32 degrees. So you got to figure out how to make water behave unnaturally. Sounds very complicated. Basically, alcohol is the key for your solution, not for yourself. But for the solution, if you use windshield washer solvent, tends to be the solution that most window cleaners will go to. That'll carry you down to where you're working in the 20s, maybe into the 15s, depending on the wind chill. When it gets colder than that, the only answer is to use stronger stuff. Methanol is the pure strength alcohol that's most effective when you dilute it into your solution. You're going to add that to what you're currently using. There are a lot of hazards with using methanol. It's not something that you want to play around with. It's a very hazardous liquid. But over time, when you have a job that has to be done and it's very, very cold outside, that's what the pro window cleaners have used over the years.
So methanol?
Mm-hmm. Methanol.
Where do you get methanol?
Methanol is something you need to buy from a chemical supplier. It's going to have to be something in your local area because of its flammability, and you really can't transport it, and it's not really something that gets shipped. So you would end up buying it from a local chemical supply place. If not, if you notice the windshield washer solvent that you have, there are different strengths of that too. Some are rated down to lower temperatures. The lower temperature it's rated for, the stronger concentrate it's going to be.
What I was doing when it was freezing is I was going to the dollar store, so I'd get windshield washer solvent. That'd be my I would just mix up a concoction. I'd pour a whole bottle of rubbing alcohol with Dawn dish soap and vinegar.
Well, you're mixing a lot of chemical families there, and that's not really what you want to do. You want to do something that's going to keep you more predictable and be able to mix it. The fact is,
does rubbing alcohol do anything?
Rubbing alcohol works, but what you'll find is that rubbing alcohol, there you go, good answer. When rubbing alcohol, you get down to a certain temperature, it starts to fall off in its effectiveness much faster and more rapidly than, say, methanol. So the methanol is going to get you down a lot colder and be more effective. The isopropyl only gets you down so far. Isopropyl alcohol has been used for a lot of things for years for window cleaners, but for the actual cold weather, not freezing, that's not necessarily the most appropriate use for it.
Okay, what are these right here? What are these products?
These are some of our most popular concentrates. This is our best seller. It's Dazzle 100. Super concentrate, meaning that this particular bottle here is 32 ounces. It'll make up to 320 gallons of ready to use. So we even sell it for the occasional users as the small 8-ounce bottles, and this is enough to make 80 gallons. This works out very well if you have a stable water source where there's not a lot of water softeners involved. If you're working in different jobs where some people are on wells and some people are on city water, and you could have softened water versus regular water at the next job, the Glass Gleam 4, which is made by the same people that make the Dazzle, this is a little bit more, you use a little bit more of this in your solution when you go to mix it. It's more like 1/4 of an ounce per gallon of water.
I got an idea. Let's put a link below. I'll put a link in the description below to these products specifically if you want to check out Dazzle or Glass Gleam. Because,
yeah, either way they work out great.
But do they help stop in colder weather?
They are not going to work out for cold weather at all. There's no alcohol in them. It's actually the opposite. The professional solutions are designed so it keeps the window wetter a little bit longer to give you a chance to be able to have your squeegee slide on the glass. So,
so when you're saying like when it's freezing out, and you take your mop, your scrubber, and you put your solution across the window, and it flattens out, and the wind hits it, it just turns to a sheet of ice.
Correct. The only thing you're going to be able to do to that is help with some sort of alcohol, which would be most commonly your windshield washer solvent. There are other options that you can get into that are a little bit stronger. If you go to the automotive supply place, they'll be able to clue you in on some of the appropriate things that are used for RVs that would dilute well in water. But with windshield washer solvent, there's a certain point where you're either using it 100% or it's still going to freeze. At that point, you would have to step up to something more like the methanol.
Methanol.
Yeah. Cool. Not easy answers, but again, remember you're trying to bend nature because water freezes and creates its own challenges when it gets so cold.
Cool. Thanks, Mike.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, Keith.
He's a cool guy. I like this guy.